everyone, the Disney Price here. Welcome back to a new video, the latest video in my little Disneyland little series that I'm doing. Today I am in the Disneyland Hotel. I'm in a Deluxe Studio. As you may have known, I was supposed to be in a little duo studio which literally just has a bed. But the very nice cast member at the front desk upgraded me to a Deluxe Studio. So it is a very, very nice room. I will be uploading a more in-depth room tour, but it is a really, really nice room and it's huge. So today I'm going to be spending some time at the resort. I might do a little tour of the resort later on, and then maybe we'll head into Disneyland a bit later on. But right now, you know, I tried to get into Goofy's Kitchen, but they had no walk-in availability. So right now I've actually ordered a room service. I got the Garden Veggie Egg White Scramble, which comes with mushrooms, broccolini, artichoke hearts, basil, plum tomatoes, and fingerling potatoes. So yeah, it's really, really nice here. And like I said, you can check out my other video, which will have a more in-depth tour. But right now, I might just get settled in, unpack a little bit, and yeah, enjoy what the Disneyland Hotel has to offer. So my room service has arrived, and they gave me a little complimentary Coke and water. How nice is that? And then on the side, it's got like some nice little ketchup, some oranges, and then obviously it comes with like your cutlery and everything. And then this is it. Oh, it is hot. Oh. Is that it? It's tiny. Oh. Anyway, it looks nice, smells nice. So that was the Garden Veggie White Scramble with mushrooms, broccoli, artichoke, basil, tomatoes, and potatoes. So it looks very, very, very good. So I'm going to do a little tour here of the Disneyland Hotel. So this big building here is where I am staying. And here then you've got the pool, you've got that famous monorail slide pool. I might go to the pool a bit later on, check out the ones at the Disneyland Hotel. And then over here you've also got, like, by the looks of it, it's like a bar and grill. And that is one underneath the Discovery Tower, which is the DVC Tower. But right now, let's head this way towards the main building. As you can see, that is the DVC Tower there. Very, very nice. Over here, you've got like a little picnic area with a little mini waterfall. Very nice and peaceful. Then, of course, in the middle of the resort, you've got the infamous Trader Sam's, which is like a bar and grill, I believe. But apparently the theming inside of it is really, really good. I would love to do it, but I obviously can't drink. Too young to drink over here in America. But maybe one day if we come back. Then just on the other side of Trader Sam's, they have their they have their other pool. And then the other pool goes under that bridge over there. So they're kind of connected, but not. So, I mean, it is like end of September, and in the middle of the day, it's getting up to about 30 degrees still. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if their pools are heated or not, but I don't know. It's quite chilly for the pool. I might go in a couple hours when it's getting about as hot as it gets for the day. Then, as we head towards the main building, that little, where the hat is there, that is the pathway that leads to downtown Disney, and then it also leads to the two parks. But as you can see, the Disneyland Hotel is all decked out for Halloween. It's very peaceful resort. It's a very nice resort. And then the Fantasy Tower here is the main building, and that's got all like your restaurants, your shops, and like guest services, bell services, everything like that. So here you've got Small World Gifts and Sundries, where they do your basic Disney merch, as well as some food and drink. Here they've got like a really nice wall of different celebrities that have been here. Really nice little nostalgic wall there. Then here is your Fantasia shop, a much bigger shop here in the Disneyland Hotel with some more general Disney merch. But over in the back they do have some resort specific merchandise, so let's go and have a look at that. So they do have some merchandise specific to the villas, the building that I'm staying in. I really like that shirt. Tempted. But they've also got like tumblers with the villas at Disneyland on. And then they also have around here some Disney Vacation Club DVC specific merchandise. But you can get this at like anywhere. Disney World, I've seen it. Then this is all the Disneyland Resort specific merchandise. So you've got some ears, glass, hats, mugs, and then I love this Spirit jersey. I'm tempted with this too. So then over here, like I don't know if you've seen the room tour video, but this is where you can buy the robes from that you can get in your room. Got like beach towels, there's that Spirit jersey again. Christmas ornaments. All very nice merchandise. Little Tommy Bahama's jacket. And then another t-shirt. Very nice. Then over here they've got like a posh little suitcase. Obviously I wouldn't ever want to take that anywhere where I was putting it in the hold, but very nice. And then they've got another different mug here too. It's a nice one with the little Disneyland D as the handle. And then a Disneyland Hotel pin. So I think I'm going to have to definitely get that one. And all around the main building they have some like really like nostalgic and like plans for Disneyland art by the looks of it. It's really, really nice art that they've got around. And then out the other side of the main building they have another pool over in that area. Is that another pool or the same pool? No, that's the same pool as earlier. But they have the convention centre over here. And then over here they have the coffee house, which does have mobile order. And I'm getting quite hungry. It's about just past lunchtime now. So I might have a look, see what they've got in here, order something for lunch. But through here, let's have a look. Through here they have Goofy's Kitchen, which I believe is like Chef Mickey's. I don't know if the characters come round while you're eating, I'm not sure. But I know you definitely meet some of the characters in this little area here. They open and close at sort of different times throughout the day. I might try and get a reservation here for dinner tonight, maybe. I might go and check in the main building, see if they can get me a reservation. But this is the convention centre here. Looking very nice. Got an Autopia car here too. Little Autopia through the decades. Very nice. So they didn't have any reservations available for Goofy's Kitchen, but they said to check back in with the actual restaurant themselves when they open back up. But this is the front of the Disneyland Hotel. It's where like bell services are, so you can drop your bags off, store your bags, and like if you've got taxis or you're being dropped off or anything, that's where you'll get dropped off. And then you'll walk through to the front of the hotel this way. All of the hotels decked out for Halloween, so you got like Haunted Mansion decorations as you walk in. It's really nice. So I'm just gotten a lunch from the coffee house here at Disneyland Resort and Disneyland Hotel rather. And I did order a grilled cheese, but they ran out. So instead, I got a vegetable salad. And then, as I did order a chocolate muffin too, and then as they didn't have my grilled cheese, they gave me a free brownie. So got enough sweet treats to last me now. So yeah, but it's very good, very nice. But now let's walk through, and I'll show you the lobby of the Villas building.
No. Well, no, you don't get the cheese thing.
Oh my god, it's so cold. It's a nice little lobby area. And of course, because it's a DVC building, they have DVC cast members out. They got models. So I've spent a few hours just in my room making the most out of the hotel. Like, I sat outside for a while next to the pool and everything, so I'm absolutely loving my time here at the villas at Disneyland Hotel. Personally, this is one of my favourite resorts I've ever stayed at. Apart from the Grand Floridian, I think this is possibly my favourite resort I have stayed at on Disney property. Obviously I've not stayed at like the contemporary main tower. I think I really like it there, but I just love the theming here at the Disneyland Hotel. For me, it's that like nostalgic theming and like the theming of Disneyland here. I love it. I just love it, and like the whole like monorail like theming over there and everything. It's a very grand feel, and obviously this hotel is only like a year old, so it's all very, very new. But right now I'm gonna head over to the main building, do some shopping, get that Disneyland Hotel merch, and then head over into downtown Disney. So I've done all my little bits of shopping over in the shop here in the main tower. So I'm now gonna head over towards downtown Disney and have a look through the shops one last time and find something to eat. So for those of you who are staying in the Disneyland Hotel, you do get your own little private security entrance. So no need to, you're not going through like the main security entrance of like the really long lines. So yeah, it's got its advantages of staying on property. But downtown Disney does look to be quite busy, so let's have a little look around. Downtown Disney certainly is very, very busy this evening. Looking around for somewhere to eat, and everywhere has a huge line. So I don't know what we'll do, but everywhere's got a huge line. I don't know about this place here. I don't know what they do here, but we'll have a look. I mean, the place with the least line and food I know I definitely like is back here at Naples Restaurant and Bar, where I was yesterday. But maybe we could try something else on the menu today. Perfect, so this time we are sat upstairs, which is pretty cool. Got a nice little view of downtown Disney from up here. But this time I think I'm going to go for the chicken parmesan. Sounds really nice, and it comes with spaghetti too. One of the more expensive options, but I mean, it's something different. So my chicken parmesan has arrived. It looks really, really good. So that is going to bring an end to today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. I don't know if I am going to make a video tomorrow. It just depends on what the plan is with moving out of here, going to the airport, and everything like that. But thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Here from the Disneyland Hotel. Goodbye.